Beautiful evening, hanging outside with the kitty cat. Yep, Toby. Yeah, not a whole lot of anything. Messing around on the Frontier. Oh, I'll go out, buy a brand new truck, drive it for 2 months, and then tear the dash all apart. Holy. We're putting our Hypertech inline speedometer, can't talk today, calibrator module in. So, get the steering wheel down way too low. So there's the unit. Pull the plug out of the back of the gauge cluster. There's the factory wiring harness, so this plugs in line. One thing I'm deviating from on the instructions is I read online some people leave the, so let me back up here. So you get this unit, you program it to your tires and gears. So because I went up one tire size, my speedometer's off just a couple miles an hour at 60. That throws the odometer off and yada, yada, yada. So I got about 2,400 miles on this truck now. I put the tires on at about 500 miles. Bought this thing, took a while for it to show up. But you plug it into your computer, you download from the website some drivers, you plug it into the computer, you set the tires and the gears. I didn't change the gears, so I didn't have to do that. It gives you the option, you know, original gearing and whatnot. Then you got to tear the truck apart, tear your dash apart, plug it in line. But some people have said that they leave the USB attached. That way, if you ever do change things down the road, you don't have to tear everything back apart. And I thought that's a pretty smart idea. So, we are back plugged in. If I turn the gauges on, everything still seems to be working. Wipers are on because I've been hitting buttons. And come on. So everything still lights up. Fuel tank is on full. All the check engine normal stuff is on because the truck's not running. And now it's going to tell me that the door's open. So I can't really do that because there we go. Lock the doors and unlock them. Yeah, so I'm going to route that down to the floor somewhere and tape it up somewhere, keep it out of the way. And if I ever do decide to, say, put a bigger lift on this thing or change the gear ratio, but I'm thinking these are big enough tires as it is. So there's the factory units. I need to get them up for sale. But yeah, the mods continue on the Nissan. So we'll get that swapped out. I am going to also attempt to do my start, stop, delete, because I can kind of get to the button back here. I'm showing I can get in back behind now. Whereas before I was trying to take all this apart and couldn't figure out how to get it and couldn't get up in there. But now I can reach around the corner and hopefully get that unplugged. I just got to find what I did with that little harness. So we'll probably do that on a separate vid. But I'm going to grab some zip ties, get that buttoned up, at least get the instrument screwed back into place. All the trim pieces. Just had to get kind of forceful. The only one that worried me was it was pulling out on this, but I gotta remember that tab goes up behind there. And then we gotta get the door trim all back lined up, but oofta. So, alrighty. Enough of this. when we get back to work, we'll probably do a report out someday and tell you how it works.